Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Maisarah binti Mohd Saufi from class 2 Khazin. My college number is PB201088, and for today I'm gonna interview some people about balanced diet.
Hi, my name is Nur Ayuni binti Ayub. I'm 33 years old. My occupation is an executive of an academic program in UMK Business Venture in Kota Baru. My height is 168 cm and my weight is 80 kilo.
Okay, my name Nur Afza binti Ayub. I am 36 years old. I am 164 centimeter height. And my weight is 90 kilogram. I work as a teacher at SMK Jalan Damai, Bukit Mertajam, Pulau Pinang.
A healthy diet looks like a balanced meal between carb, fibers, and it's a balance between vitamin. You have to take all the foods accordingly, not a processed food.
Actually, healthy diets are very good, but for the execution is quite hard for some person, because the healthy food is actually expensive at store, still expensive at Malaysia.
Usually I cook myself at home. That's how I have a healthy meal and balanced diet.
Actually, I eat 3 main meals per day, which is breakfast, lunch and dinner, and then I keep my meal as suku-suku separuh, which is the pinggan sihat Malaysia, contain half of vegetable, quarter of carbohydrates, and quarter is protein.
For breakfast, usually it's a light breakfast, usually just black coffee with bread. For lunch, it's a heavy one, rice with some veggies and proteins like chicken or fish. And for dinner, usually light like fruits or bread or some snacks. That's all. Thank you.
Usually for my breakfast, I only eat like toast bread with tuna. For lunch, sometimes I eat rice with some fish or chicken and the soup. Okay, and then I make sure that I eat vegetables. For dinner, usually I don't take dinner, but sometimes I only eat leftover for the lunch.